How to Find Sent Follow Requests on Instagram. Accurate 2026 Guide. Hello everyone! Before we start, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Instagram tips. If you want to see all the follow requests you've sent on Instagram, here's the correct way in 2026. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Second, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and select Settings. Third, go to Privacy Connections, accounts you follow. On some accounts, it may appear as follow requests or sent requests depending on your region. Here, you'll see a list of all accounts that haven't accepted your follow requests yet. To cancel a request, open the user's profile and tap Cancel Request. Pro tip: Instagram does not allow one-click cancel for all requests, so you'll need to cancel individually. Doing this regularly helps keep your following list clean and remove pending requests to inactive users. That's it. Now you know how to find and manage your sent follow requests on Instagram in 2026. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment requests cleared below.